Hello, welcome to my Abacus English tutorial. Today I am going to teach you how to borrow 10 for the addition and the subtractions. Here we have French rules under 10 as same as French rule we learned under 5. You have to memorize all these friends. The method is use your both hand to memorize this number. 1 and 9 are friends, 2 and 8 are friends, like this. So you have a chart here, and if you add those friends you will find 10. 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, 5 plus 5, 10 means 5 and 10 are friends. 6 and 4, 7 and 3, 8 and 2, 9 and 1, these are friends and they always comes together. The rule is as same as how to borrow 5. If you are adding number means you have to first reduce friend and add 10. If you are reducing number means first you have reduce 10 and add friend. So I'm going to make clear with this question. So let's start. And this episode is especially for hand abacus, and you can learn how to move your finger on the abacus. And for the rules, regulations, values of beads, you have to watch my another episode. Let's start. So marked rod, just adjust your number and marked rod straight and just open first row. First place 9 here and placing 9, and just remove 1. You can remove 1 easily and add 2, but we have only 1 bit here, so at this position we need to borrow 10. We are adding 2 means we have to reduce friend 8. First reduce 8 and add 10. Minus 7 reduce 7 means if you are reducing number you have to add friend. First you have to reduce 10, and who is friend of 7? 3, so add 3. Your answer is 3. Please write down here. Next, place 8 minus 3 you can do easily from here, and 5 and 5 equal to 10 means 5 and 10 are friends. You are adding 5 means first add friend 10 and remove 5 friend. Reduce 8 means first you have to reduce 10 and add friend 2. This is the process. Your answer is 2. Please write down here. First place 7 and reduce minus, you can minus from here, and 8, but we have 2 here and 5 plus 2 only 7, so we need 8. Let's borrow 10. If you are adding number you have to reduce friend, who is friend of 8, 2. First reduce 2 and borrow 10. Next, reduce 6. Reduce 6 means first you have to reduce 10 and add friend 4, so add here, and your answer is 4. Next, place 6 and place 3 you can easily add from here. Next, place 4, so we don't have more bits here, we have to borrow 10. 4 and 6 equal to 10. 4's friend is 6. First you have to reduce friend and borrow 10. Reduce 5 means 5 plus 5 equal to 10. 5 friend is 10. First reduce 10 and add 5. Your answer is 8. Next, place 5 and again 5. 5 and 10 are friends. So you are adding number means reduce friend 5 and borrow 10. And you are reducing 1 here. From here you have only 10 in your abacus. 1 reducing means you have to add friend 9. First reduce 10 this and add 9. And 4 again 4 you have to reduce friend 6, reduce friend 6 and borrow 10. Your answer is 1, 3, 30. Number 6, first place 4 and place 6 means you have to reduce friend 4. First reduce friend 4 and borrow 10. Minus 8, reduce 8 means first reduce 10 and add friend 2. 9, you are adding 9 means you have to reduce friend 1 and borrow 10. Your answer is 1, 1, 11. Last number 3 and 7. 7 and 3. 7 plus 3 equal to 10 means 7's friend is 3. So reduce 3 and add 10. Reduce 2 means 2 friends is 8. You are subtracting number. You are reducing number means you have to add friend 8. Next is 8. Adding 8 means you have to reduce friend 2 and borrow 10. Your answer is 1, 6, 16. So please do this exercise by yourself, and if you have any comment, please comment me, and please write down in the comment section how do you like this video, and if you have any suggestion, any advice, any questions, please comment me. I will definitely answer that. And next I will bring some more finger exercises. So till then, goodbye, namaskar, sayonara.